Hello everyone, welcome to the next lecture. In this lecture, we shall see problems related to ratio and proportion. We shall check the concepts and formula. Ratio. The ratio of two quantities A and B is written as A is to B. It is also written as in fraction like A by B. Proportion. The equality of two ratios is called proportion. For example, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, then we write A is to B as C is to D. And we say that A, B, C, D are in proportion. That is, A by B will be equal to C by D. Here we can see the values A and D are extremes and B and C are mean terms. That is, product of means is equal to product of extremes. That is, if we cross multiply, we will get A into D will be equal to B into C. That is, product of extremes will be equal to product of means. Next, if A by B is equal to C by D, then we can write A plus B divided by A minus B is equal to C plus D divided by C minus D. This is quite simple. We can quickly see A by B is equal to C by D. Then you add plus 1 on both sides. A by B plus 1 is equal to C by D plus 1. This is equal to A plus B divided by B, which is equal to C plus D divided by D. Similarly, if you add minus 1, this becomes A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. If you divide these two equations, then we will get A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. This will be handy for some problems. You can remember this. Next is variation. If X is directly proportional to Y, that is, if X is equal to Ky for some constant K, then we can write X is proportional to Y. Similarly, if X is inversely proportional to Y, then it means X is equal to K by Y for some constant K. Then we can write as X is inversely proportional to Y. That is, X is proportional to 1 by Y. Okay. Next is replacement. This is quite important. Just pay attention. Suppose a container contains X units of liquid from which Y units are taken out and replaced by the same amount of water. That is Y units. After n operations, the quantity of pure liquid in the final mixture will be given as X into 1 minus Y by X power n, where n is the number of operations and X is the initial quantity of liquid and Y is the quantity which is taken out and replaced by some other liquid like water. Okay, so this is one type of problem which we will be facing in ratio and proportion. So we shall remember this. I will show the derivation while we are solving the problem, but as of now we can remember this formula. So in this case, X is directly proportional to Y. It means if X increases, Y also increases. In the next case, when X is inversely proportional to Y, when X increases, Y decreases. Okay, that is inversely proportional. And for directly proportional, both will increase together. We shall see some examples and then we will do problems related to this. Okay, we shall continue in the next lecture. Thank you.